The boundary between Abia State and the River State, when you get there, it's not up to a gutter. Just something less than a gutter. That is it.
Yes.
So all they needed to do is to carve out all the oil-bearing land in Igbo land, in core Igbo land, and move it to River State, so that those people will start insulting us as those that do not have oil. Last year or something, they came up with the idea, this place where they have gas in Imo State, where they say is the largest gas deposit in Africa.
If you come across this particular video and you are an Igbo man, being it an Igbo man or Igbo woman, you have to watch this video because you are going to learn a lot from this particular video. The reason why Nigeria government don't want us to go, the reason why Nigeria government don't want to separate us from them is that we have a lot of mineral resources. That is the reason why the Nigeria government don't want to allow us to go. So just take out your time and watch this video. After watching this video, you understand what they are trying to do to Igbo people. So for those of you people that are still supporting one Nigeria, this message is for you. So watch this video and share your opinion in the comment section. What do you think about what Nigeria government are doing to Igbo people this time around? Thank you, and may God bless you. One love.
The boundary between Abia State and the River State, when you get there, it's not up to a gutter. Just something less than a gutter. That is it.
Yes.
So all they needed to do is to carve out all the oil-bearing land in Igbo land, in core Igbo land, and move it to River State, so that those people will start insulting us as those that do not have oil. Last year or something, they came up with the idea, this place where they have gas in Imo State, where they say is the largest gas deposit in Africa. That is the area. One Yoruba man suggested, whether he's a member of the House of or National Assembly, or suggested that that area be carved into South-South. Just so that people like Asari Dokubo and the other people, these other people will continue to say, the Igbo man wants our oil. The Igbo man wants our oil. Do you understand? The one that the Igbo man owns, they still want to take it. Go to. I did something on energy. My PhD thesis is petroleum exploitation and socio-economic changes in the oil-producing communities of Nigeria. And it's the first of its kind, I must tell you. The only person that has written on petroleum, to the best of my knowledge, before mine was one, I forgot his name, Peter or something. He was at Uniport. But he wrote on the Ogba, Ebema area. Just only, he wrote on a local government. But on a local government. Just that's what he wrote. One Peter, I've forgotten his full name. Now, I was at the Owaza, the Umuode oil field. The boundary between Abia State and the River State, when you get there, it's not up to a gutter. Just something less than a gutter. That is it.
Yes.
So all they needed to do is to carve out all the oil-bearing land in Igbo land, in core Igbo land, and move it to River State, so that those people will start insulting us as those that do not have oil.
So somebody from Ebema in Imo State is saying I'm from Ebema. I'm from Imo State. Somebody from Ebema in River State is saying I'm from River State. Why? So what are our religious leaders doing? Do you think they are contributing or they are even helping to...
I think I have to say something on this Ebema thing before I've come to this, because that Ebema case, Ebema thing, is even ongoing right now.
Yes, or Haji Ebema.
That what is it? The boundary adjustment that I spoke about earlier. They actually wanted to carve the entire Ebema into River State.
Oh,
that was the idea.
Wow.
But there are this Igbo man, there are this man, Eze, S-A-N Ozo, Nzobi of Ebema. He was wealthy. And just like what Mbakwe said, talking about the heart of Igbo land, he said no, he can be party to an arrangement whereby the Ebema be carved into River State. The war has also ended before this thing happened. Remember the abandoned property issue. Remember the story of people like Dr. Eleshi Amadi, who started, who said he was having problem with the Aro people, and because he had problem with the Aro, that their own people, they are no longer Igbo people. They migrated from Benin, and they started talking a lot of Baldadash. You know, so Zobi SN Uzo said no, that will not happen. So they now carved part of the Ebema kingdom into River State. The people that agreed to go to River State, they moved them. So they now started answering Ebema Angela Bay. Those in River State are Ebema Angela Bay. You don't have this other Ebema down here. But you know what?
Or Haji Ebema and Ebema Bangala.
So, but the thing that is about that area is these people, they have an idea that Ebema is rich in mineral resources. So that is even the major reason why they want to carve them into rivers. And then, you know, there already you have people like Yeson Wike that will say it's not Igbo. They try to the thing, strange things they do. They, you know, so when anything that belongs to the core Igbo here, you know, enters rivers, it now becomes a property for the whole, for the nation. So it's easy for them to look at what has been happening. Who are the people that have been sponsoring the federal elections that have been going on? Is it not people from the River State? And those people, I don't understand them at all. I don't even understand how they are wired. They don't even remember their brothers. They don't even remember where they moved, from where they moved to that. They wrote to me, I mentioned, the Ubima. Ubima, I think his place is Ubima. Ubima is still in current Imo State now.
Yes.
That this boy that is serving into life, that he is from Ubima. Their place is Ubima, and that is where the people of that Amechi area, that's where they migrated from.
He doesn't believe it's good.
That's what they say.
Remember the good people of Mazin lover or freedom fighter. I want to say congratulations again, once again, because the release of Mazin is getting closer. See what happened. Rachel Nwosu, this lady that based in the Israel, met with Michael Freeman in Jerusalem. Who is Michael Freeman? Michael Freeman is the ambassador to Israel in Nigeria that recently went to meet with Mazin to tell Mazin they are working on his freedom. He was sent by the Prime Minister of Israel, which is Benjamin Netanyahu. He was what has sent this Michael Freeman to meet Martin Sokoto Correctional Center. So after meeting Martin in Nigeria, because he's the ambassador to Nigeria, the ambassador to Israel here in Nigeria, after meeting Martin giving Martin hope of his freedom and telling Martin that his security is well concerned, that is being secured by the Israel and the US as partnership. They are the ones securing the Sokoto Correctional Center, that nothing will happen to him. Also, after that, after having a lot of discussion with Mazin Adekalu and some things that I cannot expose here, then he traveled back to the Israel to meet with the Prime Minister of Israel and told him that, Your Majesty, or what do they call it, His Excellency, I have met with Mazin Adekalu. This is what we discussed. Look at the length of what we discussed, and I've assured him that his freedom is being looked upon by the Israel government in partnership with the US, that he's going to get his freedom, and also told him about his security. And there is a lot they discussed that I cannot even say it here due to some certain reasons. You know, some people always say it's not everything I have to expose here, so I will not be giving information to our enemies or Mazin enemies. So after that, he met with the Prime Minister. Then, on getting to the Israel, this lady that is very, very brave and very, very intelligent and hardworking, she based in the Israel. Her name is Rachel. This Rachel has been working so hard Mostly, once you come to the Israel government, he has nowhere he has not stepped. She has not stepped her feet on because of Mazenat issue. This woman that is so courageous and so bold went to go and meet him and also discuss. They had a meeting. The person I'm talking about, Rachel Wonsu, had a meeting with that same Michael that met with Mazen Nandika at Sokoto Correctional Center. They met at Jerusalem 2 days ago or yesterday, because I never don't take light to. This is the reason why I need solar. Please, it seems I will end this video here. May I continue? Okay, so this is what really happened, and I can guarantee you that the freedom of Mazen Nandika is getting closer, because the America and the Israel, the Prime Minister of Israel and Donald Trump, and this Mike Freeman is working behind the clock to make sure that the promise he made with Mazen Nandika will be fulfilled. So at this point, you are a meaningful Biafrans. Just get ready that freedom of Mazen Nandika is very, very close. This is the reason why James Omotosho refused to sign up to this moment for the appeal court case to continue. Oh, NEPA have restored the light. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all. Because remember, there's another video I'm going to post about Donald Trump in my next video. Thank you, and may God bless you all.